Honorable Minister.
Mr. Chairman.
I want to ask you a question. Now you be the chairman for this panel. You see this question I want to ask you. I want to make you answer and where. I don't want any they do any corny answer. I want to make you answer me where. They have me.
Now me they talk to.
Yes, Honorable Minister.
You don't know me. You know the fear. Ask of me for this Port Harcourt River State. Ask of me for Matri Park. Even for Garrison. Go ask of me. For Dio. Ask of me. I'm the chairman of Agro for Dio. For Matri Park, I was a 2-time chairman for Matri. For Garrison. I was 2-time chairman again for Garrison. For Lagos, go to Oshodi. Ask of me. Now maybe the chairman of Agro there.
Hey!
Even Unilag. All the keke park when they there. All the money when they collect. Now me they bring to. You're a small boy. Where they step for Lagos? Not be Muchi boy you be. Me na VI. You know, Shele? You know they ask question. I'm a confirmed Lagos boy. Let's come back to Port Harcourt. Where they step for Port Harcourt? Not be Orazi. Just Orazi. Me for Port Harcourt. I they step for GRA. Confirm.
Hey!
Huh? You are a small boy. By the way, how old are you?
60-something. 60-something.
Man! You're a small boy. I senior you with 7 years. Good 7 years.
Honorable, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. If you yap me, I'll go yap you 10 times. Are you getting me? Talk to me. Ask okay. He knows me well. For PDP, they know me. Even Oshomole. Now APC, where you love. Not APC, where you like. He know me well. Ask him. Even Buhari, your garden, he know me very well. OBJ, he say know me. Because they talk to me. Brother, we mumu.